In today's video, we're going to be talking about fashion mistakes that you're probably making and how you can fix those mistakes. And just to let you know, I'm not here to, tell you you're dressing bad. I'm just here to help you look even better and, develop a wardrobe that promotes your social and public image without having to break the bank. You see what I did there? Anyways, yeah, we're going to be talking about those mistakes. So let's get into this video before I get annoyed with myself. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Afi, and on my channel I help women develop a wardrobe that promotes their social and public image without breaking the bank. So if you are a new viewer and you're looking for those type of content, hopefully I have you locked in forever. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, how are you doing, girl? I hope you're doing well. It's good to have you back. So today's video is actually one of my favorite videos because I get to talk about fashion and outside of trying hauls, we do's this, okay? We do's this. So number one is you're buying too many trendy pieces and not focusing on your wardrobe staples. I feel like when it comes to trends, we tend to overdo trends to the point where, like, when it's time for you to get dressed, you don't know what to wear that is wearable to wherever you're going to. I was one of those people that made a lot of those mistakes. I used to overload my closet with so many trends to the point where, like, when it's time for me to go to a certain occasion, I dress like I'm going to a fashion show. And it's like, girl, that occasion does not need all that, okay? You don't need to do all that. So like I tell my clients all the time, it's great to hop on trends. Trends is just one of those trains that tell you what's hot this season. There are some doable items that you can also buy that are wearable to whatever occasion that you're going to. But you also have to pay attention to what your closet needs and not what your closet wants. So hopping on trends is fine, but don't make your closet OD to the point where, like, we walk in, it's like, girl, it's a red carpet every time you get dressed, So definitely pay attention to the type of trends that you're hopping into, and also look at your environment and pay attention to where you're wearing those trends. Your occasion will tell you how to dress. The environment that you're about to go into will tell you how to dress. So on this channel, I help women develop a style that promotes their social and public image without breaking the bank. So, you see what I did there? Yeah. Subscribe. But you just need to have that balance. So pay attention to what your closet needs and not what your closet wants. It's very, very important to know that trends are fun, but having a lifetime staple is also even funner, okay? And number two is you don't have a wardrobe capsule, girl. You need a wardrobe capsule. You can't be hopping on trends all the time. We need you to have a wardrobe capsule. Basically, look in your closet. I have a checklist. If you sign up to my email list, it's for free. It tells you all the things that you need in your closet. Versatile items, okay? A wardrobe capsule is basically the foundation to your closet, which ties up to number one. It ties up to number one when it comes to buying too many trending pieces without looking at the things that you actually need that are wearable to any environment. When you're rushing somewhere, you want to look put together. You have those foundations to help you build an outfit without having to try. My go-to look is usually a nice white t-shirt and a black blazer and some fitted jeans. Those are my wardrobe capsule, and I can switch that however way I want to wear them. So if I want to go to brunch with my friends, all I have to do is switch my shoes with some heels, and that white t-shirt and that nice blazer still gives you a nice, edgy and put together more feminine look. If I want to go to work, I switch those heels that I would wear to brunch with my friends. I wear them with some loafers, and that gives you more of a professional look and a casual chic professional look to wear to work. And if I was to, just run errands, I would definitely switch my shoes for some white sneakers. So it's really important for you to have a wardrobe capsule because that itself will benefit you a lot. So definitely look into your closet. I have a wardrobe checklist. If you sign up to my email list, you'll get it for free. So it gives you an idea on the things that your closet need, that foundation to your style. And you can wear them however way you want to wear them. Just build that foundation first before hopping into trends. And number 3 is you're not paying attention to your body shape. Girl, you gotta know your body shape before you start developing your personal style. Okay? When it comes to body shape, a lot of people tend to overlook this, which is why when you wear something, it doesn't look good on you, but it looks good on somebody else. It's important for you to know your body shape. That way, when you do wear something, you know what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Not a lot of, YouTubers, when they do their try-on hauls, I've had this happen to me. Like, I'll watch a YouTuber do a try-on haul and I'm like, oh my gosh, that dress looks great. And then when I wear it for myself, it looks horrible on me. That's because there's certain dresses are not fit for my body shape. Body shape is not necessarily, you being skinny or, thick or oversized. Body shape is basically your body and how it's shaped. I like to look at body shape as your hair porosity. Knowing your hair porosity actually helps you from buying products that doesn't work for your hair. Same thing with your body shape. Knowing your body shape will actually help you from buying clothes that doesn't work for your body. So when you know your body shape, you actually understand your body shape. It gives you an idea on what type of items look good on you. Just go on Google and type in body shapes. Okay. How to find my body shapes. The things that I need to know about my body shape. What to wear with a certain body shape. Google is your friend. Okay. Google is your friend. And the next one is too many oversized items don't look good on you. So we have to understand the importance of balance. Balance is what makes your outfits. Balance is what gets you to look put together. Balance is what helps you look chic without having to try. For an example, I used to be a fan of oversized items and I never understood the importance of balance. My mom used to tell me this all the time. When you wear an oversized item, you look bigger than what you appear to be. Too many oversized items swallows you up. You need to have a balance. And I used to be very stubborn. I was a stubborn child. This one is very, 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 very important, especially if you are into edgy looks or you're just into, looking good without having to try. Balance is very important. Other than knowing your body shape, balance is probably number 2 on my list. And I learned the hard way, especially after I gained weight. I can't wear, baggy clothes because it will make me look bigger than what I appear to be. Same thing with being a petite. You can't wear crazy, oversized item because it will make you look like you are being eaten up by your clothes. So a way for you to wear oversized items by having balance is going for whatever it is that's oversized, play with something that's fitted with it. For an example, if I want to wear an oversized dress, I would definitely have a belt that will cinch my waist to, give me the figure that I'm looking for without having to make me look like I'm double the weight than what I am, If I'm wearing an oversized blazer, I wouldn't wear an oversized blazer with over baggy, pants. I will wear an oversized blazer with tailor pants. Straight leg jeans that are fitted. I will wear an oversized blazer with skinny jeans, leggings, things that helps with my body shape, and also it just plays with proportion, if I'm making sense. Balance is very important. Playing with proportion is really important. Knowing your body shape and what fits for you is important as well. But when you actually implement balance into your everyday looks, I promise you will look good with anything you put on, okay? The next one is tailoring, okay? When it comes to looking good and also looking put together, tailoring your clothes is very important. If you have that item that's just draining that's eating up your feet, I highly recommend you to go get them tailored to a more wearable look. I love wide leg pants, but there are certain wide leg pants, when I do wear them, it makes me look a bit too big. So I normally take my wide leg items to my tailor, and he makes it do what it do, baby, and tailor those wide leg pants according to my body shape and how fitted I want them to be on me. So when you do have something that's becoming a bit too loose, or you feel like, there's certain clothes that are no longer, wearable, get them tailored first before you toss them away. So definitely get them tailored first before you get them tossed them away, because it will look cute if you tailor them before you throw them away. I promise you, tailoring always helps. So my next tip is you're buying without revamping. And I've dealt with clients that, they want me to help them with their personal style. They hire me as their stylist, and when we go inside their closet, it's like you have clothes from the 99 2000, girl. Where you put all this? So when it comes to buying, I highly recommend people to revamp their closet, meaning take away the things that you don't need in that closet. The things that are worn out, the things that are no longer wearable for the season, take them out of that closet. So definitely revamp. I revamp my closet almost every year. I look into my closet and I either sell or donate things on my I either sell on my social media or I donate to a thrift store near me. And I know that if I'm not thinking about this certain item, I don't need it. Okay. And revamping your closet also gives you an idea of what you actually need in your closet. When you find yourself taking so much stuff out of your closet, it gives you an idea of, wow, I don't have black trousers in my closet, or wow, I don't have fitted jeans in my closet. Every time you buy something, take that old pair out. It just gives you more of an organized and more acute aesthetic when you walk into your closet, when you start to revamp things out of your closet. Or you're just going to be living under clutter, and that's not cute. Alright, so my next one is buying for special occasion only, and you're not focusing on versatile pieces that will help you to look good without having to try. Okay, so definitely get into the habits of buying versatile pieces that you can wear to work, pieces that you can wear to brunch with your friends, pieces that you can wear to meet a fiance's parent, pieces that are wearable to any occasion. For instance, if I was to go to work and my friend was like, hey, let's go to brunch, what I have on will be doable for brunch. All I have to do is change my shoes, and I can make that outfit edgy without having to try. So things that are just, when you switch them, you don't have to think about what to wear. It helps you a lot. So when you buy outfits for only occasions, and your closet is only special occasions only, and you don't wear those outfits after those special occasion occurs, I don't know what to tell you, but toss them out and stop that behavior. Okay. The next mistake that I feel like people tend to make a lot of is not preparing their outfit the night before. Okay. I was born into a family that made me prepare my outfits the night before I woke up for school, and it just became a habit. Preparing your outfit the night before is a must, and I feel like it's a lot better than just thinking about what you want to wear. That way, when you do wear it, you know if it's still wearable, if it's still worth the style, or if it looks good together. And if you have to tweak anything, you have time to do that because you prepared your outfit the night before. And lastly, child, I talked a lot. Hopefully you wrote everything that I said down, because this lastly is wearing the wrong color combination. Listen, if you're new to color, it's okay, but it's important for you to understand this. Okay, you must know what color goes with what. Okay, looking at the color wheel is very important. And I know there are some people that are very into neutrals and you're trying to get into colors, but you don't want to, you know, look too much. You have to understand what color goes well with your skin tone. You have to also understand what color looks good with what. So yeah, the wrong color combination could definitely have you looking a hot mess. You will either look washed out, or you look too dark, or you would just look crazy if you don't know how to put those colors together. I'm wearing colors right now. So me wearing monochromatic, it might be too much on camera, but I promise you it's a little bit calmer off camera. At least I think so. But another way you can style this blazer is, if I look at the color wheel, I know that pink and red goes really well together. I know that pink and green go well together. I know pink and blue go well together. I know pink and white goes really well together. And those type of colors look good if you combine them with the right colors. Wait, those type of colors look good when you combine them together. Having an idea on what goes with what would definitely help you out in the long run. If you definitely are looking towards going into colors, definitely. How many times have I said definitely in this video? Make sure you click subscribe. I would definitely be, wow, that's a lot of times. You said it again. I will be pushing out videos on how to wear colors, what colors goes with what. Or you can just Google, you know, the primary colors. You can Google the color wheel, and it'll tell you whatever goes across from each other are the colors that, you know, look good if you was to style them together. Whoo, child, I talked a lot. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and talking about fashion. Hopefully everything that I mentioned in this video helps you out and you actually put them in practice, because if you do this, people will be looking at you different. They're gonna say you glowing, but really you just understood the importance of your clothes, you know, how to wear your clothes. Perfect grammar. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you sign up to my email list. I have a free wardrobe checklist that will be very beneficial if you're trying to elevate your style and work on those staples. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you come back next Thursday, because I have more videos coming Thursdays and Sundays. Come on, somebody. I will see y'all in my next one. All right, bye.